Before syncing products, make sure you are in your destination store because that is the only store that can sync or unsync products. As an example, this destination store doesn't have any products synced. On the Syncio destination app, you will need to go to the products page, select your source store, and you will see the products catalog. Then you will just need to click the checkboxes for the products you wish to sync, or click on the checkbox next to the word product to select all the products in that page. Please be aware that you can view and sync up to 100 products at a time. You will see that both sync is now in progress, and you can refresh to see how many products have been synced so far. As you can see, all of them have been synced right now. If you go into your Shopify destination store and refresh the page, you will see that all the products were imported.